Finally this evening, the South African rand held steady on Friday, trading at 18 rand 0.00 to the dollar as investors stayed cautious amid rising tensions between Israel and Iran. Now the conflict has entered its second week, with the US expected to decide soon on possible involvement. With no major local data due today, focus shifts to next week's producer inflation and leading indicator reports. Meanwhile, the JSE All Share and Top 40 indices were both in positive territory by midday. Now here's market analyst Bruce Chalker with this week's market wrap.
The South African rand has remained flat for the past 3 days, trading within a narrow range between 18.15 and 17.91 against the US dollar. This consolidation reflects heightened investors' caution amid escalating tensions in the Middle East and uncertainties surrounding a critical decision from the US president regarding potential American involvement in the conflict, expected within the next 2 weeks. As a result, the local currency remains in a holding pattern, with market participants adopting a wait-and-see approach. The lack of clarity has led to subdued trading activities, stalling any clear market directions and increasing investors' hesitancy to place fresh positions. Technical indicators show the rand began the week on a stronger footing, briefly appreciating to 17.72 to the US dollar. However, momentum reversed following a busy US economic calendar, which included the release of retail sales figures and updated interest rates projections. These data points, combined with geopolitical uncertainties, strengthened the dollar, causing emerging market currencies, including the rand, to retreat. By week's end, the dollar posted a modest gain of 0.15%, reflecting its resilience against the backdrop of risk aversion. In contrast, the South African rand struggled to hold on to early week's gains, underscoring the broader pressure facing emerging markets in terms of global instabilities. Looking ahead, markets are expected to remain cautious as geopolitical developments and US policy decisions to continue to dominate the sentiment.